I officially present to you Buckle. There's a feeling I get when you touch me. It makes me quiver, can bring me down to my knees. I see your smile, I hear your laugh. I might now know there is no turning back, and my knees start to buckle. You run your hands down my waist, I can't control the look on my face. I become scatterbrained, feels like I'm going insane, and then my knees start to buckle. I can't think, I can't speak, can't hear a sound. I'm hot, I'm bothered with other people around. Then my knees, they start to buckle. But I look in your eyes, and your eyes don't tell lies. And then my knees start to buckle. There's Buckle, live Dragonfly Works Studio.